I'm Patricia Delvin with The Journal Investigates, and today we can reveal how foxes, rabbits, badgers and hares are being sold as live bait by illegal hunting networks. The animals are being used to blood vicious hunting dogs whose owners engage in brutal acts of wildlife cruelty. That includes badger baiting, illegal hare coursing and dog-on-wildlife attacks where animals are forced to fight for their lives. Vicious acts are also frequently documented online. Animal welfare experts now warn that Ireland is facing a wildlife crime crisis unless state action is taken to address the growing problem.
The National Parks and Wildlife Services needs to be fully resourced. There needs to be an increased number of conservation rangers around the country so that they're available almost 24/7 so that they can attend potential crime scenes quickly and gather the evidence. More training for An Garda Síochána would be useful, but there needs to be a national wildlife crime unit set up now to bring those agencies together and create a strategy for dealing with the rampant wildlife crime in Ireland.
Read our full investigation.